Confused about how to start the process of studying in USA? Studying in USA need a careful planning. Not only there are lots of documentation requirement, but student visa process is pretty tricky comparing to other countries. So today we are going to discuss about the process of studying in United States of America. Let's start with the video. Education system in USA. USA offer 4 years of bachelor degree. Some institute also offer 3 years of bachelor degree. Master degree is for 2 years. Some institute also offer 1 year of master degree in management and business course. Major intakes. USA offer 3 major intakes: January, September and May intake. September and Jan intake, which all the university offer all programs. May intake is provided by few universities only and few programs only. Program option: engineering, health and life science, computer science, art and design, performing art, management, social science are the option that is provided by all the university in US. UG application and document. You will require academic mark sheet, English language test score if like IELTS or TOEFL, SET or ACT score if required, letter of recommendation, statement of purpose, updated CV, passport copy, extracurricular certificate if you have, proof of fund, essay and portfolio. Application fee will be charges by some university would be range around $50 to $100. PG application and documents. You will require academic mark sheet, English language test score like IELTS or TOEFL, GRE or GMAT score if required, letter of recommendation, statement of purpose, updated CV, passport copy, extracurricular certificate, work experience document if you have done before, proof of fund, essay and portfolio. Application fees would be charged around $50 to $100. Tuition fees and living costs. UG tuition fees would be range between 15 lakh to 30 lakh per annum, and PG tuition fees would be range between 15 lakh to 33 lakh per annum, and living costs would be around 13 lakh. Work permit. Part-time work permit during term time is allowed for 20 hours per week. Part-time work permit during holiday time is allowed for 40 hours per week. And post-study work permit would be around 1 year to 3 years under optional practical training. University list. So here are some good university name. You can go through it, and I have mentioned their link in the description box. You can go through that also. So here we come to the end of the video. Still you have any doubts or query regarding study in USA, you can contact us. We have mentioned all the details over here. Also we have mentioned all the details in our description box. You can go through it, and we have mentioned a form in our description box. You can just fill that form and we can get back to you as soon as possible. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.